All right, let's make a unboxing. And I'm going to tell you a little bit about this product. This is the second one I bought. The first one was for M1 MacBook Pro, and it didn't work in the M1 Max. So if you're having the M1 Max, make sure that you're getting the right one. Otherwise, you're going to have issues. I'm going to leave in the video description the two links. So if you want to buy for M1 or M1 Max. So if you have a MacBook Pro, make sure that you get the right one for the right chipset. Otherwise, the computer will start doing weird things. So the problem that I had these two HDMI ports connected to my monitor, to both monitors that I have. And the thing is, when I was using Final Cut, it was crashing. And when I unplugged this and I was running Final Cut, it was running just fine. I never had any issue. So if you're having a problem like that, make sure that you're getting the right one for the right chipset. Otherwise, you're going to have problems. Okay, let's take this out of the box. So at least I told you the most important thing. So this product is very nice. I like it the most. I bought another one prior to that. I bought something like that, but this one, it doesn't have many ports. I mean, just only one input for the USB-C, and that's it. So you cannot connect anything else. So I'm going to return this. I thought it was a little bit better when I bought it. This is what you're going to get with this. Also, I bought another brand, something like that, this dock station. But the problem is that you have to use two USB-C to have the same capability. At least this is the only brand that I was able to see that you have only one cable. Otherwise, you will have to have two cables when you buy this type of docking station for MacBook Pros. And as you can see here we have only one cable. This is a proprietary cable. So if you want to use this with something else, it's not going to work. So it's made only for this, but at least you have one thing. Otherwise, the other one that I bought, that I returned already, it was the same thing like this, but you have two USB cables, and you know, it's more messy. So if you can avoid that, I think it will be your best bet. So basically here, as you can see here, we have the RJ45 for Ethernet, internet. So here you have the RJ45 for internet. So this, you can connect the power. Here you can connect the computer. So basically you connect this, and in the other side you're going to connect the computer. Here you have the two HDMI ports, VGA. I don't know if you're going to use something like that, but it comes with it. I didn't use it until for now. So you have the USB 3, and then you have the USB 2. I don't know, they should be all USB 3 at this point. Maybe there is no enough bandwidth for this. So here you have more USB 3.0, and you have one USB-C. I would like to have maybe another USB-C, but you know, maybe there is some constraint of the technology for now. Here you have the audio jack, and that's it. So once you connect this, you can once you have the power brick here, you are going to be able to charge your laptop to have everything, so that way you don't have to have, you know, hundreds of cables all over the place. So now I'm going to connect it to the computer, so that way you know how it works. All right, as you can see, this is the computer that I have. Is 16-inch, 2021 Apple M1 Max, 64 gigs of RAM. So that is what I have now. All you have to do is just plug this in on the side, and now we can connect the rest of the stuff. All right, as you can see, I have everything connected over there. So that way you can have your computer just with one cable, instead of having, you know, multiple cables, like with the HDMI on that end and more things. The only thing I have is an external drive, but I can connect it directly to this, and you can have everything in one place.